Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, aka Sis Went Vegan, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to be cooking. I wanted to bring you guys on and let you know exactly why I went vegan. I went vegan May 27th of 2020 due to health reasons. One day I realized that I was having swelling in my ankles, face, hands, and then I started to have muscle spasms in my face. So I went to the ER because that was very alarming. I went to the ER and they ran a lot of tests that could rule out stroke, heart failure, kidney failure, blood disorders. And it turned out that I have lupus nephritis. Lupus is an autoimmune disorder which could affect your skin, your brain, your heart, or your kidneys or other organs. In my case, it was attacking my kidneys. So the excess protein that was in my urine was due to that. The muscle spasms that I was having in my face was due to low calcium because of the excessive protein in my urine. I stayed in the hospital for about a week while they tried to get my numbers under control. My body wasn't retaining any protein. I didn't have any calcium in my body or iron. So I was doing iron transfusions, taking medicines, and they really tried to focus on how to get me back to 100%. Right after I got the diagnosis, I was very scared, but I didn't want to stress out too much because they had just told me that stress can make the symptoms of lupus a lot worse. So I reached out to the lady that I met a long time ago in Detroit from the Lois Banks Ministries, and I told her of my diagnosis. She immediately told me to go vegan and also to start reading certain scriptures every single day, multiple times a day, to help bring forth my healing. And so that's what I did. I read all the scriptures, I spoke them over my life every single day, and I also went vegan. Going vegan was a little bit tough because, naturally we eat meat, so it was tough, but I wanted to gain control of my health. The hardest part for me about having lupus is dealing with the fatigue. Naturally, I'm not a lazy person. I love to work. I love to get up and get out the house and do things. But with lupus, I have to remember that that is not always possible. I have days where I wake up and feel like I hadn't slept all night. My body hurts some days. And I just, I want to stay in bed, even though mentally I want to get up and do things. So that's been the hardest part, trying to navigate, listening to my body, but also making sure that I take care of my health mentally. Since going vegan, I've had a doctor's appointment where my doctors said that my lab results were phenomenal. My kidney function started to get better. The tests that they run to check for lupus, those numbers were improving, and it was just very exciting to see that what I was eating was directly affecting my health. Since being vegan, the foods that I'm eating helps give me more energy, so it helps fight that fatigue very well. I have a lot less days where I wake up, feeling super tired and just wanting to stay in bed. I definitely believe that the combination of taking my medicine, reading my Bible and praying and watching sermons more, as well as being vegan, helped me in gaining control of my health and getting back on the path to wellness. If you have any questions about dealing with lupus or going vegan, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. If you like this video, please go on ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment on what other types of videos you guys would like to see. Hit the notification bell so that way whenever I post videos about me cooking or an update on me dealing with lupus, you guys will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much. See you guys next week.